Welcome to Eschmann Little Sister. Today I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your SES2000 and SES2010 autoclaves. There are a number of occasions when you might need to reset the date and time. Twice a year we put the clocks 1 hour forward and 1 hour back, so you're going to need to change the date and time to reflect that. Also, it's important that the date and time recorded on your cycle logs accurately reflect the time when the cycles were run. So if you ever notice that the clock is showing a different time from the actual time, you're going to need to reset it. Finally, there may be occasions when a problem has arisen with the autoclave and our technical support team advise you to change the date and time. So how do you do it? I can assure you it's really easy. I'm going to take you through it step by step. You can't change the date and time if the unit is running a cycle. So first of all, make sure that any cycles have completed and then turn the unit off at the power switch here. Now, to get into the date and time setting mode, we need to turn it on again, but we're going to press at the same time the top button and the fourth button while turning the unit on. So with one hand, I'm going to press and hold the top button and the bottom button, while with the other hand, I turn the unit on at the power switch. Let's see how that works. So top button, bottom button, firmly pressed in and holding down, and I'm going to turn the bottom switch on. And then on the screen, I see set DT, indicating that we're into the date and time setting mode. So now we're in the date and time setting mode, and the display has changed to ON01. This 01 represents the month. So right now I'm in the month of October, so I need to change this to number 10 because October is the 10th month of the year. So I can move this number up by pressing the first button and move it down by pressing the second button. Then when I've reached the month that I need it to be, I'm going to press the third button to set it. So from 01 to 10, I'm going to use the second button to move the numbers down, press twice, 3 times, 10, and now set it with button number 3. That's now done, and I've moved on to the day 01. So today's date is the 2nd of October, so I'm going to move with the top button up so that it says 02, and then press the third button to set it. We now come to the year, and it's 2019, so I'm just going to press and hold the top button until it comes to 19. Oh, I've overshot, so I'll use the second button to go down to, oh, and then up again, yeah, till I find the number that I need. Set it with the third button. Now comes the hour, and right now it's just gone 11 o'clock, so I'm going to move this up to 11. Oh, just so you know, if it's in the afternoon for you, this clock uses the 24-hour clock, so 3 o'clock would be 1500 hours, so you would choose 15. But for me right now it's 11, so I'm going to set it on 11 with the third button, and then finally the minutes, and it's 11:30, so I'll just move that up to 30. There we are. And now when I set the minutes, that's it. The unit is going to turn itself off and reset, and we will have reset the date and time successfully. You'll see, oh, it's asking me to check the door, which I'll do. And now we see the correct time is displayed on the clock once again. And that's it. That's how you change the date and time on the SES2000 and SES2010 autoclave. We hope this guide has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more guides and tips, and contact us if you need further help or advice.